Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and any relative strength index that we know that will be helpful in trading boom and crash. So if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and like and comment on this video. And also I have my Telegram link below this video's description. Kindly join for free signal. Today, I'm going to teach you the most accurate boom and crash strategy to make $100 weekly. The most accurate boom and crash strategy to make $100 weekly. As you can see, we are on boom 1000 1 minute time frames, which I have my 3 window at this level. This is my first window, and this is my second window, and I have my third window here. As you can see that. So boom 1000 1 minute time frames. You can also use 5 minute time frames for this trade, and you can also use, but I will advise you to take 1 minute time frames for this trade. As you can see now, on 1 minute time frames, my first accurate window that I always have to follow is my ADS, which is this one. The first thing I need to check in me enter the trade is I have to check this level of accurate where the upper and the lower level join together. When this show up, it shows that a trade is coming very soon. When two of these levels show up, then I move to my second window to check for an entry, and I move for the first window to check for an entry. You see, immediately this show up on my third window here. It show up, then my trade is going to go up a little bit in my window 1 and window 2 to meet up my 90 level, and from this 90 level you can see it's set down on a trade for long period of time. You can see that it's moved down from this level to this level, and you can see it's really go down. That is the current market now, and also we are waiting for the next signal to come on board. Let's also check for more on boom 1000. We are also check for more on boom 1000. You can see from this level also the same thing happened on my ADS. The upper and the lower level join together from this level, so I have to wait for this entry to come to an existence and this entry for me to enter the trade. So once you have the confirmation on your third window, which is your ADS, then you wait for the window 1 and window 2 for them to operate on my 90 minutes level, and you enter your trade, and you set down to this level. So this strategy also work on crash 1000. You can also go for more. You can only use this to buy and sell. So on boom 1000, we are using it to take our selling trade. You see now, when you always check your ADS, you see from this level the ADS also join together in this level, which give us an entry that an entry is coming soon. So we have to wait, which is our waiting time here at this level. We have to wait till the trade confirm an entry on my 90 minutes time frames here, and also on window 2 it confirm an entry on 90 minutes time frames. So on 90 minutes now, you can now on 90 level now you can now enter the trade and take your trade to this level, and with that you know how much money you will have made with this level. So let's also check for more. If we can see that, you see, if we can see that, okay, let's also check boom 1000 crash 1000 to see the, yes, this is boom 1000. We also check our strategy on our ADS when it's joined together with the upper and the lower. Yes, we have one here. You see, it's joined together at this level. Then you wait for your window 2 to also join to reach your 10 level, and also window 1 also to reach your 10 level, and also for you to take the trade. You see now, from this trade now, you see it take a long period of what, a long period of buy. You see, you can also check for more entry. Yes, from this entry now you can see it's accurate in our ADS level. At this level it's accurate, but there's no any signal at this level. There's no any entry at this level, no 90 level, no 10 level, and no 75 level as yet. So this trade now you cannot take it because of the risk there, because it's not giving you any confirmation. So let's check for another more trade. As you can see this now, you can see this. Okay, you can see this. Yes, on my ADS window the both agree together to join together, but on my window 2 there's no any agreement. On my window 1 there's no any agreement, so you cannot take this trade now, you see. So if you take this trade now, you will have make a loss on this trade. So I'm going to be sharing with you the secrets of these settings at the end of this video. So let's check our boom 1000. You see now it's respecting that level up to this moment, up to this level. Now you can see it's respect it a lot, a lot. I'm telling you, you can make $100 with this strategy every week if you follow up this video. You see, it agrees at this level, and we have to wait to agree at this level, which it reach my 90 level. And also on window 1 it also reached my 90 level, which I really take this trade down to this level. You see that, and the trade doesn't stop there, it still continue to the current trading now. So let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you can have it there. Also on my main chart I did not have anything on my main chart, and also I have my window 1, I have my window 2, and I have my third window. So on my window 1 I have my relative strength index. On my relative strength index I have my period to be 1, I have applied to close, I have my style to be in red color, and I have my level in different level. I have 10, 20, 50, 80, and 90, which is my bought, sold, and waiting period. So you can screenshot this particular aspect and set it up on your phone with this. So after you set it up, press on done. Then moving to the window 1, I have my moving average, first moving average, which is the period of 8, shift of the 0. So screenshot this particular aspect and set it up on your phone also, so that you can have the same chart on your phone. Press on done. Then move to the second moving average. We have the period of 5, same settings. Press on done. So we have the third moving average, the period is 13, and we have this shift to be 0. Then you have the same settings, then press on done. Then you have to move to the second window. We have the oscillator there. The oscillator, the period is 1, the second period is also 1, and the slowing is 1. So we have the low high, we have the simple, then press on done. So we have the level also there. We have the 75, 50, 25, 10, and 90. So you, with these settings now, you have the same charts on your phone. Press on done. Then move to the first moving average on oscillator. Then the period is 1, the shift is 0. Then apply to close. So screenshot it, press on done. Then move to the second moving average on oscillator. We have the period of 2. Screenshot it, then press on done. We have the third moving average on oscillator. We have the period of 3, then the same settings, then press on done. We have the fourth moving average, so we have the period of 4, same settings, then press on done. So with the same color, so you can use any color of your choice. So now I have my indicator window 3, which is my average directional movements index. So I have the period of 9, and I have my style. The first style is in white color, which is the color of my background, and I have plus DI, which is my second this. So I have it in green color, and the third one I have it in yellow color. You see now, this is the most important settings that you need for this, for you to have the same accurate chart with me. So you press on done. So after this, now after setting up this strategy like this, you will have the same charts the way I have it here. You can see, let me show you how I've made You see now, with this strategy now, I've already made $271 with this strategy. So if you also can have it on your chart and set it up, follow the same rules I follow here on this video, so you can also have it on your phone. So subscribe to this channel. If you are watching this video, subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and also I have my Telegram link below this video, so join this Telegram link for free signal. Thanks.